Before recipes were measured in cups and teaspoons, they were measured by hands that knew. Every meal begins somewhere, with a memory, a tradition, or a table filled with the people we love. Long before recipes filled the pages of a cookbook, they lived in the hearts of mothers, fathers, grandparents, and neighbors, shared across kitchens, across generations, and across cultures. Every dish tells a story. Fresh ingredients, vibrant flavors, bread made by hand, recipes rooted in tradition, sweet moments, quiet conversations, simple joys shared together. Because some recipes feed the body, but the very best ones feeds the soul. Every meal carried something greater than flavor. It carried family.